guys, it's Beth again. I've got another tier 4 video for you today. So for this one, all you're going to need is a sandbag, core bag, whatever you've got, or again you can use a rucksack loaded with water bottles, books, anything like that, okay? Alright, so we've got 5 different exercises that I'm going to demonstrate to you with the correct form and technique. But for the reps, I'm just going to show you, flip around what I've got here written down, show you the reps if you want to screenshot or write them down, whatever's best for you, okay? Alright, so as you can see, you've got 25 reps of the first exercise, then 20 reps of the second, 15 reps of the third, 10 reps of the fourth, and then 5 reps for that last one, and then we're going to go back up again, okay? Alright, so our first exercise, so our 25 rep exercise, we've got glute bridges, alright? So we're going to start flat on the backs. So starting flat on your backs with the sandbag just on your hips like this, feet out in front of you, toes pointing forward, and you're going to be pushing through your heels as well, okay? So just pushing the sandbag away from you and pushing up, okay? Squeezing your glutes at the top, nice and powerful. Alright, just like that, okay guys? Alrighty, so our second exercise, so our 20 rep exercise, we've got reverse lunges, alright? So for this one, we're going to do the front loaded and we're going to alternate our legs as we go. So you're going to do 10 reps per leg in total. So just holding the handle at the top of your core bag, cleaning it up. So you're holding it up nice and high like this, keeping your elbows up and keeping your chest up the whole way. Try not to let the bag bring your chest forward. Okay? So keeping it up like this, keeping your core tight, and then reversing backwards that one leg, and then alternating on the other, okay? And just bringing it down like that, alright? So you just want at the bottom, you just want it so your knee just nearly touches the floor, okay? Don't try and hit the ground too hard with your knees, alright? Okay, so our 15 rep exercise we're going to do is bent over rows. So again, you're going to start holding the 2 handles at the top. Okay, and then we're going to hinge forward from our hips until our backs are nearly parallel with the floor, or the sandbag is pretty much touching the floor. And then you're going to row up, putting your elbows in and behind you, in and back. Alright, good stuff guys, okay? So, our 10 rep exercise that we're going to do now, we're going to do plank pull-throughs. So I'm going to show you from this side. So we're going to start off in a high plank position. Alright. We're going to start off in a high plank position, keeping our bums down as well, and trying to keep our bodies as tight and still as possible as we can. We should really be feeling it in our core. Okay, so you're going to start with the bag on one side of you, and then you're going to grab it and pull it through as far as you can, okay? So grab it, pull it through. Alright, just like that, okay? So again, you alternate arms, so you'll end up doing 5 reps on each arm, okay? Trying to keep our bodies as still as possible, alright? Okay, so our last 5 rep exercise, so you're only going to be doing this one once. We're going to do a clean and squat. So So we're going to start off in our squat position. So feet shoulder width apart and our toes pointed slightly out, and we're going to track our knees over our toes as well. Again, grabbing the sandbag at the top two handles. Alright, so you're going to pick it up, clean it up like this, so I'll show you from this side. Clean it up, keeping our chest up, and then you're going to squat down and drop it back. Okay, and then again, another rep. Just like that, okay? So that one is really important because we've got the sandbag loaded on the front, trying to not let it bring us forward, trying to keep our chest up the whole time, alright? Okay, so that's all. So you've got the reps down, crack on with it, enjoy it. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.